And all the students mute their microphone. Okay, and open your copy and book. Okay, so those have joined recently, just mention P or present in the chat box. I'll take attendance from that. Okay. Yes, and open your book and copy for question and answers. Today I'll give you the exercise question answers. Of chapter number 5, Kingdom, Kings and an Early Republic. So what is the first question? So are you ready, students? So what is the first question? Let's recall. Okay. Number 1, state either true or false. So number A, it is the Rajas who led the Ashwamedha horse pass through their lands were invited to the sacrifice. It is true. This sentence is true. Now number B. Number B is, it is chapter number 5, students. Okay, page 63 in old book, Salma. So those have old book, they can open page number 63 and chapter 6 in old NCERT book. And those have new book, new NCERT book, page number 55 and chapter number 5. So number B, the charioteer sprinkled sacred water on the king. So tell me, student, it is true or false? The charioteer sprinkled sacred water on the king. It is true. So students, tell me, the charioteer sprinkled sacred water or not? So it is, no, it is not true. Okay, they used to tell stories. Charioteer not sprinkled, priest sprinkled sacred water, so it is false. So number C, that archaeologists have found palaces in the settlements of the Janapadas. It is true. Or false? Tell me, students. They found palaces. Yes, false, because they not found palaces. They found huts, not palaces. So it is also false. So number D. Number D is that pots to store grain were made of painted greyware. Pots to store grain were made out of painted greyware. Is it correct? Students, number D. Tell me number D, correct or not? It is used to store grains. No, it is not used to store grains. It is used for any special occasion. They served food to their relatives and the people. Okay, this is false. And last one, E, that many cities in Mahajanapadas were fortified. And yes, it is obviously true. So these are the answers of question number 1, true, false, false, false and true. Okay. Number 2, so question number 2 is very easy. So it is given in your book, that is there is a diagram. You have to place the names of the different occupation, people from different occupations in the boxes mentioned in the diagram. So you can do it on your own. So I am not writing this in the board. So I am directly go to the question number 3. So it is question number 3, that who were the groups who could not participate in the assemblies of the gunners? So do you know who are the groups who were not allowed to participate in the assemblies of gunners? They are Dasa or Dasis, Dasa and Dasis, in bracket slaves, comma women, and Kammakaras. Kammakaras, okay. So these are the people who were not allowed to participate in the assemblies of gunners. Now number 4. Number 4 is, why did the Rajas of Mahajanapada build forts? So it's a little bit big question that, and you have to write in your copy, Rajas of Mahajanapadas built forts because, number 1, to protect their people from outside, from the attack of outside enemy. Okay, so this is the answer, outside enemy. Next one, number 2, to show their power and prosperity. Number 3, a fortified city was easier to control. Okay, so these are the 3 answers, the 3 points. These are the 3 points. Why did the Rajas of Mahajanapada build forts? Okay, okay, cannot see the right side. Now it is okay, students? Can you see the right side now? Yes, okay. So then I'll rub the number 1 and 2, 3 portion for question number 5. What is question number 5? And the question is, that in what ways the present day elections different from the ways in which rulers were chosen in Janapada. Okay, so number 1, the different, so start writing, the differences are number 1, in present day comma, we have election commission, election commission conducting who conducting comma elections. You cannot, okay, rub this one, no need to write this. Okay, elections, full stop. While during Janapadas, okay, while in Janapadas, okay students, question number 4 completed. Then I am rubbing this one. Point number C you can see, it is clear. A fortified city was easier to control. Students, Salma, right, a fortified city was easier to control. This is the point number 3 of question number 4. A fortified city was easier to control. Why Mehtab giving emojis, this kind of emojis here? Okay, then I am rubbing the question, the first point of question number 4. So while in Janapadas there was no such thing. Okay, full stop. Kings who performed Ashwamedha Yajna, Ashwamedha Yajna were chosen to be the ruler. Full stop. So this is point number 1. So okay, complete. So now point number 2. Nowadays all the citizens above 18 years have the right to vote. While in some Janapadas only free men above the age of 30 years allowed to participate in the assembly of Ganas. Okay, full stop. Slaves, women and Kammakaras are not allowed. slaves bracket dasa or dasis, women, and kamakaras were not allowed. Okay, students, can you see the board? Tell me, can you see the entire board, the lower portion mainly? Can you see the entire board, students? Okay, so then write if you not understand anything, then ask me. I'll recite that portion for you. So I'm reciting the second point again. So nowadays, all the citizens above 18 years have the right to vote, full stop. While in some Janapadas, only free men above the age of 30 years allowed to participate in the assembly of Ganas, full stop. Slaves, dasa or dasis, comma, women and kammakaras were not allowed. Okay, so this is the answer, this is the point number 2 and this is the point number 1. So this is the answer of question number 5. So that's all from exercise questions. Okay, and the another 3 questions given in your book, let's do portion. These are activity based questions, students. And question number 7, you can do it on your own, that find out whether any of the groups mentioned in answer 2 pay taxes today. Okay, and the answer is, in question number 7, it is very easy. It is also the farmers and herders. Okay, sorry, not herders, it traders. So they also paid taxes today. So these are activity based question, will not come in exam. And find out whether the groups mentioned in answer 3 have voting rights at present. Yes, obviously women and kammakaras have voting right today. Okay, yes, in the last line, after women it is kammakara. Okay, women and kammakaras. It is kammakaras. So I think you have completed this question and answers. Okay, and students, read the chapter carefully, all the chapters, chapter number 1 to 5 in history will questions will come from that portion in your upcoming examination, and MCQ questions will come. Okay, multiple choice of questions, you have to choose only the correct option among the 4 options. Okay, and in your geography also the 4 chapters, the 5 chapters also present from chapter 1 to 5. Okay, and in civics the chapter 1 to 4. So read all these chapters, short questions will come. Don't skip anything, read line by line. Salma, up to chapter 6, So Salma, it's better before the examination collect a new version of NCERT book, okay, because some of the things excluded in the new book, okay, such as chapter 2 and chapter 3 merged in the new NCERT book, and some of the points they excluded, and some of the subunits excluded in the new NCERT book. Students, listen to me carefully. So Salma, it's manage. So purchase a new book, okay, through online, or you can purchase from our school also, okay, a new NCERT book you can purchase. So from that you can found the question answers. Okay, students, don't mention here what he is singing. Remove this comment, Oroni. Okay. Srija, up to 4. No, up to 4, up to 5. Okay. The major domains of the earth also come in examination, and in civics 1 to 4. Okay. Abir, don't write these things and don't sing anything, okay? Just listen my words. So that's all from today's class. I'm signing off. Thank you.